Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the game supports the penguin spawn, so update Goat Simulator and load a map with a coastline or winter area. Once done, position your goat near a shoreline spawn point and equip any mobility tweaks you have. Faster movement helps trigger events. You need to act quickly, so approach water, then enter the exact spawn zone used by the game. This first step sets conditions that allow the hidden penguin encounter to appear. Next, you trigger the penguin by performing the game's spawn sequence. Swim into shallow water, dive, and ragdoll multiple times near the suspected location. While doing this, interact with nearby props, push crates, collide with NPCs, or hit environmental triggers that the game links to rare spawns. Make sure to pause after a set of actions to let the engine process events. You'll often see a visual or audio cue if you succeeded. If nothing. Finally, when the penguin appears, approach calmly so it doesn't despawn. Use a grab or take an in-game photo to secure the encounter. If it vanishes or never spawns, reload your last checkpoint, toggle any mods off, or switch to another compatible map and repeat the sequence. Small position changes matter. One key troubleshooting tip: record the exact game version, map, and actions you used and try again. Consistent replication exposes whether it's timing, location, or a mod conflict causing failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.